and the ingredients are very Hey guys, it's me Harsh and I welcome you back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today we will be making eggless vanilla cake recipe which will be without condensed milk. So everyone over there who does not have condensed milk near their areas or in the shops, you can make this. Also, the ingredients are very simple and always available at your home. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We will be requiring 4 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of melted butter, half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of plain curd, 1 1/4 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Let's whip up the ingredients. To make the cake batter, first we will mix in our dry ingredients. To our flour, we will add in our powdered sugar, baking powder and salt, and we will just give it a quick whisk so that they all get well combined. Now to this milk we will add our curd and our vegetable oil. Also add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and just give it a quick whisk so that all the ingredients are well combined. We will add our melted butter to the flour mixture and then mix it until it becomes crumbly. I will be using an electric hand mixer today. You can also use a whisk if you don't have an electric hand mixer. First, we will start at a low speed and stop in between so that we reduce the amount of flour which becomes into a flour cloud. Our mixture is ready. It has become crumbly. Now we will add our liquid ingredients little by little and mix it in. Now we will add our baking soda and the vinegar and just quickly mix it. Our cake batter is now ready. We will just divide it into 2 8-inch circular pans which I have greased and dusted with flour. I will be eyeballing this approximately half of the batter in one pan and the remaining half in the other. I have divided the batter almost equally among the 2 baking pans which are 8-inch rounds, and now they are ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and they will be baking for 20 to 25 minutes or until a skewer inserted inside comes out clean. And that was my super simple recipe for the eggless vanilla cake, which does not even require condensed milk, and the ingredients are very easily available at your disposal. I hope you like this recipe, and if you want to know what do I do with this vanilla cake, then don't forget to watch my next video, which I will be uploading on the Saturday at 12 PM Indian Standard Time. And if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also comments in the comment section below. Thanks again, you guys. Bye bye.